Have you ever heard the popular claim that humans only use 10% of their brain? It sounds unbelievable, right? Imagine if one morning you woke up, and suddenly you could access 100% of your brain's true potential. Would you become a genius overnight, capable of solving any problem? Or would the overload destroy you from within? Today, we're diving into the fascinating question, what if humans used 100% of their brain? The myth and its origins. The 10% brain myth has been around for over a century. It became popular in movies, books, and pop culture, often showing humans turning into superheroes once they unlocked their full brain power. But here's the truth, we already use all parts of our brain. Brain scans clearly show activity across different regions, even while resting. However, it's true that not all areas are active at the same time. That's where the imagination begins. What if they were? Limitless intelligence. If humans could activate their entire brain simultaneously, our intelligence could reach unimaginable levels. Complex problems in science, math, or technology might be solved instantly. We could develop cures for diseases, design futuristic cities, or even travel beyond our solar system. Our creativity could explode, artists might create masterpieces in minutes, writers could finish novels in hours, and musicians might compose symphonies effortlessly. Imagine a world where every human is a genius. Competition would vanish, but so would the meaning of talent, because everyone would be extraordinary. Perfect memory and learning. One of the biggest changes would be in memory. You would never forget a single detail, every word you've ever read, every conversation you've ever had, every face you've ever seen. Learning a new language could take a few days. Mastering a musical instrument might take only weeks. Education systems would be transformed, because traditional schools wouldn't even be necessary. But perfect memory also has a cost. Imagine being unable to forget trauma, heartbreak, or painful experiences. Every embarrassing mistake could replay in your mind forever. Would life really feel better, or unbearable? Superhuman senses. Using 100% of the brain might also enhance our senses. We could process sounds, sights, and smells in far more detail. We might even unlock hidden abilities like echolocation, telepathic-like communication, or advanced pattern recognition. Some scientists even believe the brain could tap into abilities like controlling body temperature, reducing pain, or accelerating healing. But here's the danger: sensory overload. Our brains might be flooded with too much data, every sound, every detail, every thought at once. Instead of feeling powerful, we might feel trapped. The dark side of total brain power. Having unlimited brain access sounds exciting, but it could also destroy us. Imagine constantly overthinking billions of thoughts per second. Sleep might become impossible, because the brain would never shut down. Emotional regulation could break down, causing uncontrollable stress or even madness. Human brains evolved with limitations for a reason: balance. Without that balance, life might not be livable at all. Technology and the future science is already moving toward enhancing the human brain. Brain-computer interfaces are being developed by companies like Neuralink, which could allow humans to directly connect with machines. Advanced AI could merge with human intelligence, creating a hybrid form of mind power. Perhaps one day, we won't need to wait for evolution. Technology will give us access to more of our brain than nature intended. Would that turn us into gods? Or slaves of our own intelligence? So now the big question remains: if you could unlock 100% of your brain for just one day, what would you do first? Would you solve the world's problems, or would you explore the limits of your own mind? Comment your answer below, And don't forget to subscribe to Neural What If for more fascinating explorations into the psychology of the unknown.